Hello, my name is Elena and I'm Product Manager of Cobolt Pulse Lasers, the Tor series. Today we're going to take a look at the performance of our lasers in the lab and feature our newly released product Tor XE. So Tor series is the series of nanosecond Q-switch pulse lasers with excellent TM00 beam quality. One of the key features of Tor series is special cavity design that ensures no spatial hole burning, that provides low jitter, less than 2 microseconds. Here, on a oscilloscope screen, you can see the typical pulse shape of a few nanoseconds. You can also see that the pulse variation is extremely low, that refers to exceptional peak-to-peak stability. Here is our latest product, the Tor XE at 1064 nanometers, that has half of a millijoule of energy, repetition rate from a single pulse up to 1 kHz and 3 different trigger modes: internal, external and gated. In internal trigger mode, integrated electronics triggers the laser, so you can set the repetition rate via either our software, Cobolt Monitor, or via command through USB or Molex communication ports on the back side of the laser head. In external trigger mode, the external signal applied to either Molex or SMB connector on the back side of the laser sets the operation frequency of the laser. The external signal pulse length falls anywhere between 1 and 200 microseconds for convenient synchronization. The lasers are equipped with the pulse monitor to control the repetition rate of the laser. Gated trigger mode is a mix of both external and internal trigger modes. While external trigger is applied, the laser operates at the frequency set by internal trigger, for example in Cobolt Monitor software. Here is our ultra-compact laser, Tor XE, with up to 100 microjoules of output energy and repetition rate of a single pulse up to 1 kHz. The current design has only external trigger, but the new generation of the Tor XE is coming soon and will be similar to the Tor XE functionality, with extended trigger capabilities including internal and gated trigger modes. This is Tor laser, a free-running laser with the highest repetition rate of series, 7 kHz. An exciting application for the Tor laser is micromarking and engraving. The high-quality TM00 beam, a feature for all Tor series lasers, can be focused very tightly for excellent precision. So in summary, Tor series includes triggerable and free-running lasers that are used for a variety of applications: LIDAR, LIBS, marking, photoacoustics, to name a few. And I hope this introduction was helpful, and if you'd like to learn more, please visit our webpage and follow this QR code. Thanks!